Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning, such as our latest video was facial emotion recognition using webcam. Then next video was facial emotion recognition using deface library in Python. Then age prediction using deface library, facial emotion recognition using fair library in Python, and many more videos on machine learning in Python. Today's video is really interesting and creative as we are going to see pixel level image comparison. So first of all, we will go through the Python file first. First three statements are the required libraries which needs to be imported for the program. Now here first of all we will take A1, then here next statement is image that needs to be open. The next statement is both images size should be same, then image difference in the number of pixels, then fig is equal to plt.figure, it shows in the sense display the result image difference. Then this statement is of old image and this part is of current image, and the last pixel wise difference. Okay, now we will execute the program. Yes, this is the old image of Amitabh Bachchan. This is the new latest image of Amitabh Bachchan, and this is the difference in the pixel. Now here the difference is pixel is 48,285. Now we will see if we take the first image we have taken is of young age. Now we will take both the images of old age, then see what will happen. The pixel difference should be less if both the images are old. Now what I will do, instead of young image I will take old image A3 and A2. Now we will see the difference of the pixel. Okay, here it is old image and today image, both are little bit same because both are old image. Now the pixel difference is not 48,000, it is 33,548. So here pixel difference is less because both are images are of old age. So we are successfully done with image pixel difference. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.